First thing you're going to do is loosen up the jam nut. I pre-sprayed everything because it is rusty. So with the tie rod in, it's easier to loosen this jam nut. Now go ahead and take off the tie rod end nut. 21mm socket. Let's take this tie rod end nut off. Now you're going to take a hammer and you're going to hit the knuckle right here. And let's see if we can get that tie rod end to fall out. Now the jam nut's already loose, so hopefully this tie rod end just spins out. And if you're going to replace it, you know that you turn that jam nut a half an inch, not even like a half a turn. So make sure you bottom it out. If not, you can count your turns when you back it out. So you're going to use this 12 o'clock as one turn. We're on 15, 16. Exactly 20. Now, before installing the new tie rod end, I like to put a little never seize on the threads. And now I can count my turns starting at 20. It was 20, so I'm going to go back. Look at this, 20. So before you install, take the plastic boot off. This cover is just for packaging and transportation so that the rubber boot doesn't get cut. Then you're going to line it up. Might have to move that a little bit. Get the knuckle to go in. .21mm socket. You can just snug it up. So what happens when you can't tighten it, the spindle's spinning in here? I'm going to show you a little trick. Tie rod end is spinning in the knuckle here from the shaft, so we're going to do it by hand. 21mm wrench holding onto the nut and 10mm holding onto the stud. And we'll just snug it down enough, hopefully we can seat it, and then use the air gun. Let's see if we went far enough. Beautiful. Torque spec is 60 foot-pounds. 21mm socket. Torque specs is 85 to 110 foot-pounds. We're going to do it at 100. And do it in a crisscross pattern.